Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Squarespace for beginners. First, navigate to squarespace.com and begin by selecting a template that best suits your vision. Squarespace offers hundreds of professionally designed templates, so take your time to browse. Next, you'll sign up for an account and choose a subscription plan, with options ranging from personal to business. Finally, connect your existing domain or register a new one through Squarespace, making your site easily discoverable. Now, let's dive into customizing your site's appearance. The Site Styles panel is your command center for design, allowing you to fine-tune fonts, colors, and spacing across your entire website. Upload your unique logo and high-resolution images to create a professional and engaging look. Squarespace's intuitive drag-and-drop editor makes arranging content blocks simple, giving you full control over your page layouts with just a few clicks. With your design in place, it's time to populate your site with compelling content. Easily create new pages for different sections, whether it's a portfolio, a blog, or an online store. Squarespace offers over 20 different content blocks, allowing you to add text, images, videos, and contact forms seamlessly. If you're selling, integrate e-commerce features to list products, manage inventory, and process payments securely. Before going live, thoroughly review your website on both desktop and mobile devices to ensure a flawless user experience. Squarespace provides built-in SEO tools to help optimize your site for search engines, improving its visibility. Once published, regularly monitor your site's analytics to gain insights into visitor behavior, traffic sources, and popular content. This data is invaluable for making informed decisions and continuously improving your online presence.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.